Welcome into the garage, and today's What's in the Box, and we're taking a look at the BMW 320i E46, the Super Production DTCC 2001 winter kit from NuNu Models. This is their latest offering. It just got released within the last month. It's going to be a 1/24 scale curbside kit. Let's check it out. Now getting started with the body. You can see it is a multi-piece body. Front and rear bumpers are separate. Take a look now at the parts that has the front and rear bumpers and a couple of the other body. It looks like the headlight pieces. Front and rear bumpers. Now getting started with the chassis plate, and you can see some of the detail is molded in. And now we have the interior floor plan, or interior pan. A little bit of everything parts tree. Has some interior parts, some suspension parts. Side door panels and center console transmission tunnel piece. Now moving on to the next parts tree, which has the roll bars, or the roll cage, and some suspension parts. We'll get started with the roll bars. I'm going to take a look at the brakes. And moving on to the next parts tree, which has a little bit of everything: interior parts, suspension parts, undercarriage parts, you name it, parts. It has the parts. And there we take a look at the dash and the rear shelf package tray. see, which has been left, has parts molded open. That's kind of neat. You have some suspension main member pieces and a fuel or whatever piece. Spare tire carrier piece, actually, I guess. We have some door handles there, down door handles, the various pieces. Turning our attention now to the chrome parts trees. See, there are two of them. Got taillights, headlights. Taking a look now at the clear parts trees. You have the main one plus the headlight lens separate parts tree, which was in its own little baggie. Taillights. At the race wheels. Turning our attention to the racing roundy rounds. See, they are kind of cambered. You also get a mesh screen for grills, as well as, of course, the polycaps. Taking a look now at the decal sheets, and there are 3 of them. We'll start with all the white decals. Next one has the other decals, numbers, detail decals, seatbelt decals, gauge, some tire decals. Is in lieu of window mask, they give you window decal stripes to do the trim. I'd much rather have the window mask. NuNu, please start doing window masks. Enough with these decals. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the BMW 320i E46 Super Production DTCC 2001 winter model kit from NuNu Models. I mean, you can guarantee there are going to be some decal libraries coming for this, some additional libraries being made for this one. Maybe the supplement decal sheet for this one, if you can guess what's missing. Actually, I know there are some that are already coming. I think I've seen a few, if I recall correctly. Anyways. So on that note, thank you for watching.